Okay, so for sheathing, once again, if you haven't watched the overview video, I'd watch that. But if you want to include sheathing, click sheathing, select the sheathing that you want to use, and let's say, for example, if it's OSB, you're probably going to want a house wrap, but if it's zip, you won't, so don't click that. If you're using Zipboard and you want to include zip tape, check that out, right? And that will tell you down here how much zip tape you need, how many boards, and even how much fasteners you need, right? Now, if you want to change any of this material, right, once again, click the plus sign. It'll take you to the section where you can, add material right here if you want. So once again, this is important that this sheathing, the only thing really that we need to know about this is that for our sheathing, we're not going to take into consideration window size, right? So if you scroll over here and you go to input how the shapes of your sides to calculate and the dimensions to calculate your sheathing, it's not going to take into consideration window size. So if you have huge windows or garage doors or something like that, this could be, you're going to have to break it up into more sections. But if it's a normal house with normal size windows, where you sheathe over those windows, just know that it's going to take into consideration the square foot, like for example, this entire square feet. It's not going to subtract the square feet for your windows or doors, right? But if you do siding, right, like click siding, that will. So that's it.